In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up Instagram and you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. From here, tap the three lines up in the top right corner to go to your settings and activity. And once you're in your settings and activity, what you need to do is scroll down on here until you see account center. Open that up, and then from here, go ahead and scroll down until you see manage accounts, select it and open that up as well. What you need to do now is go ahead and find whatever account it is that you're trying to, deactivate temporarily. So for my case, I'd hit Instagram, hit manage on whatever one it is for you though, then hit deactivation or deletion. And you're going to have two different options here. You're going to have deactivate account or delete account. So choose whatever option works best for you. In most cases, if you want to just temporarily deactivate, just choose deactivate account. Don't do delete. Delete will permanently remove everything. But hit continue again on the next page, and then of course type in that password to confirm. And boom, just like that, you're good to go. If you ever need to reactivate, you just got to log back in. That's the full process though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.